Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make 양념치킨, spicy Korean fried chicken. Let's get started! 속보입니다. 오늘 콘스 코너에서는 코리안 프라이드 치킨 KFC를 가르쳐준다고 하는데 과연 맛이 있을지 없을지 한번 같이 알아보도록 합시다. I don't know. That's so weird. That's so weird. 어디가 있는데? Today Kwon's Corner episode is really special because this episode is Because this episode is the first Patreon members voted for. Woohoo! I can't believe I have Patreons. Oh my gosh. I'm planning a lot more Patreon benefits. So if you're interested, please check the link in the description down below. So first episode is where's the 양념치킨. Woohoo! South Korea is really famous for chicken, and I covered two recipes already, which is Maangchi's recipe and cooking Korean fried chicken under 20 minutes. There are a bunch of different kinds of Korean fried chicken in Korea. I think there's more than like 10 or 20 different kinds of flavor. But most popular one is 양념치킨, which is spicy Korean fried chicken. That's what I'm gonna cover it today. So let's get started! To get started, we need oil. I'm gonna use a 공기름, which is a bean oil, but you can use any kind of oil that you like. Last time when I covered the under 20-minute fried chicken, I forgot to preheat the oil first, so it took a little longer than a 20 minutes. So today, I'm gonna heat it first. So pour enough oil to cover the chicken. 기름이 들어간다 쭉쭉쭉쭉쭉쭉쭉 언제까지 어깨춤을 추게 할 거야. And turn your stove on high heat. Now we are gonna prepare our chicken. I went to a market yesterday and got the boneless thigh chicken. It was all frozen, so I had to defrost it. So if you're getting the frozen chicken, make sure to defrost it first. When you're preparing the chicken, you can see this like a yellow thingy. That's all fat. So if you're worried about the gaining weight, make sure to get rid of it. Just rip it up and throw it out. If you want, you can take off all the fat, but I'm gonna just leave it because I'm eating fried chicken, which means I'm gonna get tons of calories. So I don't care. Once you wash the web, put it on a cutting board and we're gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces. So cut it however you like. And some people don't like the chicken skin on the fried chicken, but personally I think it tastes better with the skin, so I'm not gonna take it off. In Korea, chicken thigh or wings are more popular than a chicken breast. But I heard a lot of people in West like chicken breast more. So can you guys tell me whether it's true or not? Personally, I hate chicken breasts. I really hate it. I ate too much when I was working out. So after that, I get sick of it. I only eat chicken breast when I'm on diet. After you cut it into bite-sized pieces, put it into the bowl. Next, we're gonna marinate the chicken. Oh, I'm using about 1 kilogram of chicken, so keep that in mind. That was weird, but I'm gonna add a little less than a half tablespoon of salt, but adjust your salt to your preference. Sprinkle some pepper, 1 tablespoon of mirin. If you don't have a mirin, you can use soju, vodka, sake, any kind of alcohol, or skip it. It's all totally up to you. I'm using mirin to get rid of the smell. And mix well. 맛있겠다. I really like the pepper smell. It's so appetizing. Appetizing? Appetizing. Appetite me? Something like that. We're gonna marinate the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, so put to the side. Next, we're gonna make the chicken batter. I'm gonna use the frying flour, but if you don't have a frying flour, you can use the all-purpose flour mixed with the MSG and a little bit of salt. But I recommend you to get this thing. So we need 1 cup of tempura flour and a little less than 1 cup of water. And mix well. This thing is not from my dog Mochi. It's from the rock climbing. So don't think my dog is bad, son. I don't know. My son is really good boy. He's like an angel. After mixing it well, put to the side. Next, get a Tupperware and pour some tempura flour. Oh. Every time when I film, I kind of mess up. Gosh. I promise I'm not like that. I don't usually make a mess. I know it's really hard to believe because every video or every episode I mess up something, like I dropped an egg or put a lot of sugar, but that's not me usually. Pour some tempura flour in a Tupperware nicely. Next, we're gonna put the chicken in the batter. Korean fried chicken is the most popular delivery food in Korea. So as far as I know, no one usually cook at home because you can't even get delivery to park, beach, or river. And it doesn't even take an hour unless you're ordering during the World Cup. The easiest season to get chicken delivery is World Cup. Usually it took like 2 hours to get the chicken. So if you're ordering when games start, you're gonna get it when games end. So just make it at home. After you're putting into the batter, we're gonna put it into the Tupperware. And close the Tupperware and shake that. No, that's inappropriate. Anyway, just shake it. 흔들어주세요. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Shake it, shake it, baby. Oh. Why am I doing this? Now we're gonna make our yangnyeom, which is sauce. We need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It doesn't matter lighter or dark. And if you don't have a brown sugar, you can use white sugar, but I recommend you to get brown sugar. It tastes better. And we need 1 tablespoon of gochugaru red pepper flakes. I'm gonna mix with the spicy and mild one. So mix it to your preference. Oh, when you're using gochugaru red pepper flakes, don't use the coarsely ground pepper flakes. Use finely ground red pepper flakes. So like this. Super fine. So half a tablespoon and half a tablespoon. Ooh, spicy. I'm a little sweaty. Ooh, smell. Ooh. This sauce is vegan, so if you don't eat meat, you can eat it with the tofu, vegetable, or anything you like. We need 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of gochujang red pepper paste. I'm using haechandil. Ooh, I want dry squid right now. That's how I feel every time when I eat gochujang. It's super spicy and little dry and little sweet. Tastes super good. Next, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of corn syrup. This is my basic yangnyeom sauce and you can adjust to your preference. If you like to make it sweeter, you can either put more ketchup or corn syrup, and if you want to make it more spicy, you can put more red pepper flakes. And today, I'm gonna reveal my secret ingredients. So my secret ingredient is... That's weird. What is it? Strawberry jam. If you're adding strawberry jam, it will give you really unique flavor, like a little sour and sweet. So make sure add it. Add a 1 tablespoon of strawberry jam and 3 tablespoons of water and mix it well. And put it on the stove. Now we are gonna check whether oil is hot or not. Drop few drops of batter. If it rises immediately, it's ready. Mine is a little too hot because it didn't even touch the ground. So I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit. Once the oil is ready, put your chicken in. And while it's getting ready, we're gonna make more. So repeat the process. You need to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken that you cut. But since we use a boneless, it will cook really fast, and if you get the color right, it's basically ready. Make sure you use tongue to separate them, otherwise they will stick together. But if you keep doing the fija, the batter part will come up, so be careful. After the Korean War, Americans brought the fried chicken to Korea, and it got super popular, and people start Koreanizing the fried chicken, like inventing the yangnyeom sauce like what I just did, or the gochugaru sauce like Maangchi's episode. And if you like to watch, you can click it here. And these days, there are a lot of Korean fried chicken restaurants, and there are more fried chicken restaurants in Korea than McDonald's in the world. Woo! So these days, when people ask what are you gonna do after you retire, most people say I'm gonna open up the Korean fried chicken restaurant. So if America moved to Florida after they retire, Koreans open the chicken restaurant. Once your chicken is this color, ooh, looks so crispy. I really wanna eat. Get a strainer and take it out.
That's good. I hate you.
Don't hate me, I didn't ask you to be a vegan. And put it into a bowl. While it's frying, I'm gonna make sauce. Get a sauce and turn your stove on high heat and wait for it to boil. Once it's boiling, mix it well. It's basically done. But our chicken is still frying, so I'm gonna turn it off. Our sauce is all ready. While we're waiting for it to cook, let's try. Okay. 어떠라! Oh my gosh. It's very crispy, like super crispy. And every time when I bite, all the juice is coming out and super juicy and tastes super good. And it's cooked perfectly. Focus, can you? Oh, look at that crispy, yo! That's the crispy chicken. 진짜 맛있다. 내가 했지만 진짜 너무 맛있다. Chicken looks good. Look at it. Wow, look at the color. So good. Since our chicken is ready, I'm gonna reheat the sauce. Once your sauce is heated, turn your stove off and pour sauce on top of the chicken. Oh my god, 맛있겠다. Once everything is well mixed, get your plate and place your chicken in the plate. I'm trying my best to place nicely, but when you're eating, just dump it. 미쳤다. That's it. Our 양념치킨 is all ready to eat. Oh my god, it looks so good! Eating time! Let's see! Oh my god, it looks so good! Oh my god, it smells super good. Before we eat, I need to prepare. I need a beer and a beer glass. This is called chi mek. Chicken, chi, 맥주, mek. Beer, mek. If you're eating chicken, you have to eat it with the beer. That's how we're having a chicken. Woo-hoo. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god, look at that. I'm not sure I'm more excited to the beer or chicken. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Let's see. I feel like I just got the delivery. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's really good. And beer's really good too. It's been a while cause I had to make an intro, outro, thumbnail, and a little like a sexy shot. But it's still crispy and juicy. That's what chicken should be, right? And it's perfect. I don't think I can cook it better than this. It's really good. I will try my best to explain well. The breading is very thick and very crunchy. It's like the crunchiest chicken you ever had. It's so basak, you know? Like, right? You feel me, right? And the yangnyeom sauce is very spicy because I put the spicy pepper and I'm sweating right now. I really like the garlic flavor. It's like exploding in my mouth. And if you love garlic, I think this is for you. You will love it. Oh, sweating. And I really like my secret ingredient. Strawberry jam is cutting through the savory part of the gochujang and the garlic, and it brightens up. It brings up brightness to this dish. I feel like the strawberry jam is like a shooting star in the night darkness. It's like brightening up, like I'm there. Like it's really unique flavor and I really like it. I really like the spiciness of this dish. Normal 양념치킨 is not I'm sorry. Normal 양념치킨 is not this spicy, but I add the like spicy pepper flakes to make this dish extra spicy. It fits to my preference. So if you don't like spicy food, just use a mild spicy mild spicy pepper flakes. And if you look at it, this chicken is cooked perfectly, so when you cook it, don't worry about how long you should cook it. Depends on the size of the chicken, it will be vary. So once you get the golden brown, the chicken color that you know is all ready if you're using a boneless chicken. 너무 맛있다. 이게 진짜 약간 새콤달콤하면서도 약간 매콤한 거 있잖아. 새콤달콤 매콤 약간 그러면서 약간 바삭바삭한데 이것도 물면 또 앙 하고 약간 주스가 약간 탁 나오고 약간 그리시한데 약간 이거 딱 마시면 finish. 딱 약간 클렌징 뭔 느낌인지 딱 알지. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to my patron who asked me to make this. You just brighten up my day. I really like it. Thank you so much. So if you're cooking this food, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. What time is it? Time to announce Jingle of the Week. So Jingle of the Week is... It's beef fauch. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm so sorry. She cooked my dubu buchi, man. It looks really, really good. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep cooking delicious food, and if you're cooking my food, tag me. See you next week. 안녕. Thank you, Mechanoman and Krista, for supporting me on Patreon. See you next week. 안녕. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕! 안녕!